to solve x power 3 minus x power 2 is equal to 100. Find the value of x. So we have x power 3 minus x power 2. Then this plus 100 take to the left side, so this will be minus 100, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube minus x square, then minus 100 can be written as minus 125 plus 25, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube, then minus 125 can be written as minus 5 cube, then minus x square, then plus 25, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube minus 5 cube. Now from here we take common negative 1. So negative 1 is out of the bracket. So this divided by this, that means it will be x square. Then plus 25 divided by minus 1, that means it will be minus 25. Then bracket close is equal to 0. Now here we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a is as x, b is as 5. So according to formula I can write here x minus 5 times x square plus x times 5 plus 5 square, then minus 1 times x square, then minus 25 can be written as minus 5 square, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now we have bracket x minus 5 times x square plus x times 5, that means it will be 5x, then plus 5 square is same as 25, then bracket close, then minus 1 times, here you can apply the formula of a square minus b square. So according to formula you can write here x plus 5 times x minus 5, that means a plus b times a minus b. This is the formula of a square minus b square, where a is as x, b is as 5, then is equal to 0. Now we see x minus 5 is common, so take common x minus 5. So bracket x minus 5 is out of this bracket, so this divided by this, that means this x minus 5, this x minus 5 will be cancelled. So we have x square plus 5x plus 25, then this divided by this, that means this x minus 5, this x minus 5 will be cancelled. So we have minus 1 times x plus 5, so it will be minus 1 times x, that means minus x, then minus 1 times plus 5, that means it will be minus 5, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now you can write here x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x square plus 5x minus x, that means it will be plus 4x, then plus 25 minus 5, that means it will be plus 20, then is equal to 0. can apply discriminant formula. So you can write here delta is equal to b square minus 4 ac. Here a is as on, then b is as 4. After that c is as 20. Now I can write here delta is equal to b square, that means it will be 4 square minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means 20, is equal to 4 square is same as 16 minus 4 times on times 20, that means it will be 80. Then is equal to 16 minus 80, that means 16 minus 80, that means it will be minus 64. 16 minus 80, that means it will be minus 64. So minus 64 is less than 0. So here no real solution. No real solution. (16 minus 80), that means it will be minus 64. So minus 64 is less than 0. It means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So here no real solution. So our final answer will be x is equal to this minus 5, take to the right side, so this will be plus 5. So 5, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 30 plus 4 to the power 30 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 30. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Then 4 to the power 30 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 30 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 30, that means 60, times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so you can write here 2 to the power 60 plus 1, that means 61. So 2 to the power 61 is the correct answer.